Today's first real-life conversation is called
Running late for work.
Oh no, it's already 8:20.
Aren't you supposed to be at work by 8:30?
Yes, I overslept.
Again?
My alarm went off, but I turned it off and fell back asleep.
Dangerous decision.
Have you seen my car keys?
Check the kitchen counter.
Not there.
Wait, beside your coffee mug.
Oh, thank goodness.
You look stressed.
I have a meeting this morning.
Important one?
Very important.
You'll make it.
Traffic looks terrible.
Maybe take the subway.
Actually, that's a good idea.
See? Problem solved.
Wait,
What now?
I can't find my ID card.
Emma,
This is not funny.
relax. It's probably somewhere nearby.
Not here.
Did you leave it in yesterday's coat?
Maybe.
Check there.
Oh, wow.
Found it?
Yes.
Today is a disaster already.
Don't say that.
Hey,
What?
you're going to be okay.
I know.
Just focus on one thing at a time.
Okay.
Step 1,
Coffee.
correct answer.
Okay, I really need to go now.
Wait,
What?
you forgot your lunch.
Seriously?
I'm saving your entire morning.
Honestly, yes.
You owe me coffee.
Deal.
Have a good meeting.
Thanks. And tomorrow, I know, don't ignore my alarm.
Exactly.
Our second conversation is
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Hi, are you ready to order?
I think so,
You always say that.
because I change my mind every time.
Last time you changed your order 3 times.
I like having options.
Take your time.
The pasta looks good.
Which one?
Chicken pasta.
That's one of our most popular dishes.
Really?
Yes. Burger for me.
Every single time.
I know what I like.
Fair enough.
Drinks?
Lemonade, please.
Water. Great choices.
This place is nice.
We should come here more often.
Definitely.
next, we have a very relatable situation.
Lost wallet.
Daniel,
Yeah?
I can't find my wallet.
What do you mean?
I had it earlier, now it's gone.
Okay. Don't panic.
I think I had it at the grocery store.
Check your bag first.
Not here.
Jacket pocket?
No,
Kitchen counter?
nothing.
Slow down.
My cards are inside. My driver's license, too.
We'll figure it out.
Why does this always happen to me?
Because life likes surprises.
Daniel,
Sorry.
maybe it fell out at the store.
Did you pay by card?
Yeah,
Maybe call them.
good idea.
Wait,
What?
Emma,
What?
look at the table.
No way.
Right in front of you.
Oh, wow. I can't believe this.
5 minutes of panic for nothing.
Oh, I'm blaming stress.
That seems fair.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime.
Next time I lose something?
Check the table first.
Oh, deal.
Conversation number 4 is
Coffee shop small talk.
What a morning!
Busy morning?
Very busy.
Work?
Meetings all morning.
Sounds exhausting.
It is. I needed coffee before I completely stopped functioning.
That serious?
Very serious.
Good choice coming here then.
Yeah, I like this place.
Same. It's quieter than most coffee shops.
Working remotely today?
Yeah.
Busy?
Emails, more emails, and somehow even more emails.
Sounds familiar.
What about your project, the marketing one?
You remember that?
Of course.
It's finally finished.
Nice.
Honestly, finishing it feels amazing.
You worked hard on that.
Yeah,
See, you should give yourself credit more often.
Lily says the same thing.
Lily is smart.
Don't let her hear you say that.
Too late.
You still order the same drink?
Caramel latte.
Some things never change.
Good coffee habits are important.
I should probably get back to work.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Don't work too hard.
No promises.
Our fifth real-life conversation is called
Shopping for clothes.
What do you think?
I like it. Really? Yes. I'm not sure. Try it on. Fine. Well? Too formal? No.
Really?
It looks great.
Maybe different color.
Emma. Okay. Sometimes you overthink things.
Maybe.
You should trust yourself more.
Okay. I'm buying it.
Next, we're heading to the gym for
At the gym.
I think I'm done.
We've been here 15 minutes.
My legs disagree.
One more exercise.
You always say that.
Because it works.
Why does everyone here have so much energy?
Because they're not doing leg day.
I'm serious.
Daniel, progress takes time.
I feel weak.
You're stronger than last month.
Really?
Absolutely.
It doesn't feel like it.
Remember your first day?
Barely.
You stopped after 5 minutes.
It was a difficult day.
You also said carrying a water bottle felt like exercise.
Okay. Maybe.
Look at you now.
I guess I improved a little.
More than a little.
I still hate leg day.
Everyone hates leg day.
Fine.
That's the spirit.
One more exercise.
That's what I wanted to hear.
You should become a coach.
I already am.
An unpaid coach.
The hardest job in the world.
Okay. One more set.
Let's do it.
conversation number 7 is something everyone experiences.
Missing the bus. Wait. No.
Bad timing?
I missed the bus.
Looks like it.
I ran all the way here.
That's frustrating.
And now I'm going to be late.
How late?
Maybe 15 minutes.
The next bus comes in 10 minutes.
Okay, that's not terrible.
See? Not the end of the world.
Easy for you to say.
True.
I hate rushing in the morning.
Overslept?
Maybe.
Again?
And my alarm rang,
And?
and I ignored it.
Dangerous decision.
At least the weather is nice.
Yeah,
Maybe slowing down isn't always bad.
exactly.
I've been stressed lately.
Work?
Mostly work.
You should take breaks sometimes.
I know.
Look,
Oh,
your best.
finally.
Have a good day.
You too.
And tomorrow,
I know. Don't ignore my alarm.
exactly.
Next, we have an important workplace moment.
First day at work.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Excited and nervous.
Completely normal.
Everyone seems busy.
You'll get comfortable quickly.
I hope so.
Let me show you around.
Okay.
Coffee machine is over there.
Important information.
Very important.
How long have you worked here?
About 6 years.
Wow.
Don't worry about learning everything today.
Thank you.
First days are hard for everyone.
That actually helps.
Conversation number 9 is
Planning a weekend trip.
Beach or mountains?
Beach.
Really?
I need relaxation.
Fair enough.
And seafood.
Okay, beach wins.
We could leave Saturday morning.
Early morning?
Very early.
I suddenly prefer mountains.
Nice try.
Hotel or apartment?
Hotel.
Easier.
This trip sounds better already.
We need this.
Definitely.
Beach trip it is.
And our final real-life conversation today is
Phone battery problem.
My battery is at 1%.
Mine too.
Seriously?
Bad planning.
I forgot my charger.
I have one.
Really?
Always prepared.
Teach me your ways.
Years of experience.
You saved my day.
Happy to help.
I should buy another charger.
Good idea.